So we have here Sailfish OS running on N950. We start from the lock screen. So we have the lock screen. We see the notifications, for example, missing calls, new messages. We see the clock, and for example, here we can see the mute, that the device is on mute at the moment, or silent mode. We change the profile just by dragging the screen and getting the pull menu, and we see the highlighting there, and activate the highlight by releasing the touch. So now we see that the mute went away, and we're on normal profile. Then when we start pushing the lock screen up, we see a battery indicator, the network indicators, and so forth. So the status area that usually is on the top of the screen on most of the handset distributions or on other platforms. Here, after we push the lock screen up, we see the home screen, which has all the running applications currently. We see also a couple of quick launch icons here for your favorite applications. Let's come back to this a bit later. So after home screen, when we push, we got actually the launcher, which contains all your applications that you have installed on your device, which extends by pushing. Of course, I don't have more than this at the moment installed, but it would extend from here the same vertical movement. And again, in the bottom, there's a pull menu that I can use to get back to the home screen. Mm-hmm. Then going more deeply into the home view. So we have currently running 6 applications here, and these applications are actually smart covers. So you can actually interact with the applications in different ways with using these smart covers. So the more convenient way is just tapping the application, which actually launches the application to the previous view it was in. Then if we minimize the application, and at the same time when we minimize the application, we can actually see that it's the peaking mode of our OS, so we can actually peak from any application to the desktop and see the time and status information, and at the same time it hides the quick launch icon, so it actually moves. We can see here it actually moves the home screen a bit, so we can actually, when peaking, we can see the running applications and also the status information. So about the active covers, so for this dialer application, there's 2 different functionality here. So when we go left, we actually launch the dialer application with the keypad, and when we go right, we actually launch the dialer application with the contacts. So you can actually search the contacts list you have on your device. Most interesting part for the active covers is, for example, the media player. So when we start playing media or music on the device, we actually can minimize the application here and play the music, and then we can actually pause the music here from the cover and also get to the next song from the cover. So this is very, very nice functionality. You don't need to open the application just to pause and get to the next song if you don't like the current song and so forth. So that's very nice and unique on these active covers. We have also enabled sharing on, for example, our gallery. I can show you here. If you go to the gallery and select one photo, we have here sharing enabled. So we have Facebook demo account here that we can actually share the data with, and then it actually shows the description that can be written here, and some information about the picture. And if you want to share this to the network, you actually just push it aside and it shares it to the network. And we can actually check the sharing. So when we go to the settings menu, there's a transfers menu where we can actually see the currently shared image here, and now it says failed because I don't have network connectivity at the moment. Related to the current trend of social media and those things, we have also the events feed here, so we can actually launch the events feed from the home screen by just dragging from the sides here, and then we can actually see the latest notifications that we have. We can see the partner space advertisements from the operators or partners or so forth, and we can see the collection of feeds, so from Twitter, Facebook, and so forth. All the friends and family that you are connected currently with. So that's most of the features. So we have also other applications like clock here. You can create new alarms, for example, here. You can also create new alarms from the cover here and new timers. So it's using also the active covers.